Nature is a source of all design. We definitely get our sense of color from nature, our sense of proportion from color, and even things like color have a sense of proportion to them. We can learn so much from nature as far as texture is concerned, shapes and forms and so on, but it all comes from nature.
I see movement, I see color. I love the colors. The light coming through right now is just absolutely spectacular. And I'm very, very thrilled with the end result.
Then the white epoxy, though, really creates a dreaminess. And I just had learned the term marine layer, but it's the fog over the Pacific Ocean and how it is soft and dreamy. And so I think that the term marine layer really expresses this well. The rhythm within the piece, created by the different pieces of glass, and I love that it was the little pebbles of sea glass that really held it all together to create that on the rhythm, the movement down the glass. It's about the movement and it's about the light. So I love all those qualities that the glass brings to, comes together. It brought it all together.
It's a piece of sculpture, but it's also a painting. And I just love how when I look at this, I see a seashore or I see water just kind of dragging across pebbles in a creek or something like that. But it's something that all goes back to nature. And it's just a beautiful thing that's really exceeded my expectations.
Part of the color inspiration was from the sunsets that we see, because we face west, and the evening sunsets overlooking the Ohio River are just spectacular.
Different times of the day and different seasons, I'm going to see different things. And I really just like the way this The whole project was really just a lot of fun, and the end result just really exceeded my expectations.
I just love how it all became cohesive once the project got installed, and there's this cohesiveness about it that is just fabulous. It's beautiful.
Mary Barr also very much understands the creative process and how important it is. It was nice to work with who really understands art, really understands design, and all the design principles.